everybody! Let's make chicken soup today. We are going to make yeonggye-baek soup, chicken and chicken soup. This chicken is around little less than 4 pounds of chicken. This is going to be a really delicious meal. This is how I make for my family. We just boil this until this chicken is very tender. All family sitting at the table and then eating with the dipping sauce. Around the time we finish eating all chicken, then the porridge, chicken soup is ready. So that's why this is kind of a really full warm meal with only one chicken. To make really delicious, I brought this ginseng. This is a fresh ginseng. I got this from Korean store. Usually summertime, easily you can find in a large Korean grocery store. And quite expensive, but just once you make this and then you feel that like all energized. This top part always remove, cut off. Because we believe that this is kind of give you too much heat. So we always cut off. See? Like a brownish kind of bruise. And you see? Good. I will use 1 cup garlic, all washed and cleaned. So leftover ginseng, you can just wrap this in the paper towel and keep in the plastic bag, and then you can keep it almost 1 month. It's okay. But after that, you still have this dry. No problem, just you can dry this in your house, in any place, and then dry out, and then you can use later. Now, chicken. So this part, remove, and this tip, cut off. Let's see, around the neck area. Yeah. Nice. Transfer to the large pot. Garlic, ginseng. 10 cups water. Turn on the heat over medium-high heat. And about 20 minutes, just over medium-high heat until really boiling vigorously. Then I'm going to turn down the heat and then keep cooking. And also, I just soaked rice. This time I use glutinous rice. Sweet rice is glutinous rice. So now it's really boiling, 20 minutes passed. Let's see. And turn down the heat to medium-low. If the chicken is too much cooked and not tasty, even though the broth is more delicious. But we gotta enjoy both. Now cook this 50 minutes more. My house smells so good. You know, garlic and chicken and boiling together smells really, really good. Now, time to prepare some side dishes. I just washed this all green chili pepper. It's not very spicy, you know, so very crispy. And then I can dip this in the ssamjang and really delicious. It goes well with the yeonggye-baek soup. Cucumber. Keep in the refrigerator. Next, sauce. We are going to make 2 kinds of dipping sauce. First, this is just green onion, green chili pepper, and onion. I'm using this. Slice thin. This is around ½ cup. And this is green onion, 4 green onion. Just slice. Slice diagonally, thin. This is also around ½ cup. Green chili pepper. So this green onion, later I will use. Just chop it up. So 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons vinegar, sesame seeds around 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon sugar, Korean gochugaru, hot pepper flakes 1 teaspoon, and mix together. Nice looking, and I will just keep in the refrigerator. Second dipping sauce is the just simple mixture of salt, ground black pepper, sesame seeds, we didn't add any salt here, so the baeksuk. Baeksuk means they're just white and cook not only chicken but also kind of fish, and cooking without using any seasoning, and then later you can dip into some salt like this. My chicken is almost done now. It looks so good, like bubbling, broth is milky, looks so delicious. Let's see. I need this wooden skewer. Wow. Yeah, easily go through this. You see, nice. There is no blood and nicely well cooked, and also very soft when I do this. So I gotta transfer this. Chicken broth is really delicious, garlicky, it's so yummy, but a lot of floating oil. It's a fat. I like to get rid of this. Turn off. Just floating fat. As much as we can, let's remove this. Yeah, ginseng, take it out, ginseng. Really looks good, isn't it? Wow. Delicious looking, milky. Now we're gonna make a chicken soup. Chicken soup with this rice. 1 cup rice, soaked rice, I will add this here. So I'm gonna drain this water. Let's add to this broth. And then cover medium-high heat. This broth is hot, so I'm going to cook just 20 minutes. Now we gotta eat this. While this is cooking, we gotta serve this, all prepared. So first what I'm doing is usually like this, just half chicken breast using just my spatula. In the center of the table, put your chicken and family sitting together. And then cucumber and green chili pepper and kimchi and ssamjang, salt, and this is dipping sauce, onion mixture. Let me taste my chicken first. Okay, which part shall I eat? Actually, my favorite part is chicken leg. Now I'm going to eat this with this. I use my hand. Why not? Salt. Chicken is perfectly cooked, and also cucumber dipping go well together. So 20 minutes passed, let's see. So you need to stir occasionally so that it's not going to stick to the bottom. See? Well done. So we gotta add salt here. The amount of salt is depending on you. So usually for amount of this, 2 teaspoons salt. And mix well. And green onion. Where is my green onion? 2 green onion, chopped green onion. eat this way. Saltiness is perfect. Green chili pepper I want to eat. This pepper is called asagi gochu. Asagi means crispy. This chicken soup reminds me of so many stories. There was a big mountain where I used to live, and then we just went hiking. Even in the mountain, some restaurant, they open this kind of Yeonggye Baeksuk restaurant. And all family friends go there. Okay, how many people you guys come? We have like 10. So 10 people, 2 chicken. So 2 chicken, so free range, chicken is just cooked. It takes a long time to cook. So we all the time, we just sitting there, we eat other stuff and also drinking soju. And then eventually chicken is coming. So just like this, chicken first. And all we together, around that time, we are so hungry and waiting for chicken, and then eating so delicious, Chicken is all gone quickly. And then the soup is coming, and then we finish our meal. And everybody's stomach is so comfortable. That's a really good memory when I lived in Korea. So this is the way that we serve this. So today we made Yeonggye Baeksuk, chicken and chicken soup. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.